I would like to show you my t-shirt, which says Sadhu in progress, sorry for the inconvenience, based on the signs where they're doing construction, and it's inconvenient because you can't enter the front door, you have to walk around this way. So let's talk about it. It's actually based on a verse in Bhagavad Gita 9:30, Api Jet Sudaracharo, and this idea is also based on another verse in Bhagavatam in the 11th canto, where a devotee doesn't do as well as he would like to do, and he regrets it. So, sorry for the inconvenience, everyone. I'm not perfect. I don't propose that I am. In fact, I know that some things I do probably disturb you because I do some things wrong. But I'm asking for your forgiveness, your tolerance, your patience. I am a work in progress, and I know sometimes it's austere to deal with me, and I just ask your patience and tolerance. You know, what's also really interesting is to try to put yourself in the shoes of another person and imagine how your behavior is affecting them. And it's something we often don't do. I think some of us maybe never do that. We behave in a way which we think is correct, and other people may not feel it's correct, and it may adversely affect other people. But we never think, how is this affecting them? We only think, no, what I'm doing is right. It's just like a teacher. She's teaching the right thing. But a good teacher will think, not am I teaching the right thing, am my students understanding what I'm teaching? Because teaching the right thing is not the ultimate goal of being a teacher. It's getting the students to understand the right thing you're teaching. So it's nice to be in this mood of how am I affecting other people? And it can be a real impetus to change things, to change behavior, to change attitudes, which are difficult to change when we understand it's making it difficult for other people. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai.